Internally displaced persons (IDPs) residing in Sajiwa relief camp staged a sit-in today opposing the government's plan to organize Sangai Festival 2025. The demonstration was held at the junction connecting Sajiwa Jail Road and Imphal Ukrul Road, where protesters held placards reading "First Resettlement, Next Sangai Festival," "Free Movement First, Next Sangai Festival," and "We Boycott Sangai Festival." Speaking to media persons, Sakilambam Ibeyaima, an IDP from Iko Sadu Koiring, currently staying in Sajiwa relief camp, said displaced families are living worse than animals, enduring severe suffering for over 2 years. She stated that celebrations like Sangai Festival should only be held after all IDPs are safely resettled in their homes. She added that while the administration has proposed certain festival features for IDPs, they do not feel any sense of celebration in their current condition.
Sangai Festival je relief camp da laiba akhoi ji sarukto yaning do akhoi ba hanin na sangan biro matungda laibaki sugumba kumai je pangthok do khoina pamjai haitare akhoi ju harau na sarukto ya janini yum ju laitaba kaim ju laitaba khoina kamaina akhoi na harau kumai je saruk ya doino relief camp da laiba akhoi ji mi de sane hena maru oina lawba haiba akhoi warau jabado haitare akhoi na damaina khalle yum ju na taba sida akhoi gi puning thamoi akhoi na tawba thabak khuni makse amata laitaba laite